If you don't like tech headaches but still want to fix your OnePlus 13, then keep watching. Here are some quick fixes to get your OnePlus 13 back on track. First, make sure you've got a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. No good signal, no good install. Next, check your storage. An app won't install if you're low on space. Is your Google Play Store updated? If not, give it a quick refresh. Now, verify if the app is compatible with your OnePlus 13's Android version. Compatibility is key. Still no luck? Clear the cache and data of your Play Store app. Sometimes a clean slate does wonders. Restart your OnePlus 13. A little reboot can go a long way. If the issue persists, try uninstalling and reinstalling the troublesome app. Ensure your OnePlus 13 is running the latest system updates. Stay current. And lastly, if all else fails, contact the app developer or consider a factory reset, but don't forget to back up your data first. No more app installation woes.